Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana and assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 2 students. Dear students, our today's topic short question and our lecture 14 and homework 12. Okay, lecture 14, homework 12, and this is also our revision class and our today's topic short question. So let's start our class. In our previous class I given short question 1 to 6. Now I have given short question 7 to 10. This is the most important for your half yearly examination. So let's begin our class. Question number 7. Write 2 sentences about the printer. Our answer: a printer prints on paper. The printer is used to print words, numbers and pictures. Our question number 7 is done. Question 8. Write 2 sentences about the speaker. Our answer: a speaker is used to listening to music. Number 2. The speaker is also used to listen to people speaking. Question number 9. What is the address? Each computer in a network is recognized by a name. This name is known as its address. Put the full stop. How to get connect network on the computer? To get connected to a network, you have to type the address of that computer, such as click the start button. At first, click the start button. 2. Click Internet Explorer. 3. Type the address of the computer. Number 4. Strike the enter key. So dear students, your homework will be homework number 12 and short question number 9 and 10 your homework. Question number 9 and 10 your homework. Question number 9, what is the address? And question number 10, how to get connect network on the computer. So this is the most important for your half yearly examination. So dear students, practice at your home properly and regularly, and take care about the spelling. So submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.